Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we are going to test how oily some foundations are or they can be, even if they say that they are not oily at all. That will be interesting. Let's find out. The first one is MAC Studio Fix. It's an oil controlling formula that offers a matte finish with medium to full coverage. The next one is NYX Total Control Foundation. People say that it's great for those who have oily skin, so we're gonna test it out. We have the DIORSKIN Sculpt Foundation. It's great for those with normal to dry skin. The next one is Revlon Foundation Airbrush Effect. This one is oil-free. And the last one, we have the Ordinary Foundation. This one is non-oily formula. So, let's get started.
I really thought you were on my side, but now there's nobody by my side. I need you, I need you, I need you right now. Yeah, I need you right now. So don't let me down. I think I'm losing my mind now. It's in my head, darling, I hope that you'll be here when I need you the most. So don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down.
This is the end of the video. I really hope you like my video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to give this video a big thumbs up, follow all my social media, Instagram and Snapchat, and see you soon on my next video.